There is a printed owner's manual that comes with this machine, yay. On the Pfaff Ambition 1.0, you're going to have all the how to use all the features, but we are going through these on each video. So one thing I've heard about manuals, people say, oh, they're no good. But actually, when you have the information explained to you of why you use it, like what we're doing, I will tell you these manuals make a whole lot more sense once you kind of peruse through. So after you go through all the videos that we're making for this machine and for you to enjoy your machine even more, I want you to go back and just read through the manual. I mean, skim it, it's okay. But I bet you will find it will make a lot more sense for reference as you go. Let's talk about the warranty of this machine. The Pfaff machine has a 10-year warranty, 2 years on circuit boards and 1 year on like your basic electrical features, and also 1 year warranty from your Pfaff dealer. You do want to register your machine at the pfaff.com website, and then they'll have all the information should you ever need any help. But if you have questions, please refer them back to the store that you bought it from, and they will be happy to help. And when you have your machine serviced with them on a regular basis, this little gem is going to last you a lifetime.